drop top at unique, especially in classics. 1964 Pontiac LeMans Convertible. Powered by a 400 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome on the front of this car. Grille, headlight, surrounds. Color would be Kona blue. Black vinyl bucket seat interior. Black vinyl power top. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, you can check out the engine bay, the underside. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Car was actually painted in 2017, so not that long ago. Just trying to give you a good look up and down the passenger side. You can see the paint has nice reflection in it, good luster. So that black vinyl interior. 4-speed shifter on the floor. At the end of the video here, we're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Check out the engine bay. We'll raise that top up so you can see what kind of condition that is in. And also remember that we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some of the recent service things that were done to this car as far as maintenance: it does have a new clutch and pressure plate, a new top, and you're going to see that when we put it up. Nice shape. Upholstery is also newer. Stainless steel gas tank and new wiring. Also a few extra parts that are in the trunk. Headers, hooker headers are in there. White vinyl floor mats. And again, if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can see riding on BF Goodrich radials, Vision 5-spoke, black and polished wheels. And again, take a look at the reflection coming off that door. So again, paint does show well on this one. And let's take a look at this interior. Door panels. And probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. So take your time, look through the still pictures. You can see vinyl for your rips, tears, holes in the seats. A little bit of wear on that passenger side right there. Rear vinyl looks new. All right. Go ahead and fire this up. Of course, it's 64 over on the left of the steering column of the key. We do have aftermarket set of gauges down below here for amps, oil pressure, and temperature also. And also a vacuum gauge. Kraco stereo in working order. Wipers also work. Make sure we're in neutral. Look at the rest of the dash. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. A little rumble coming out of that 400. Deep exhaust note. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second while I get the hood opened up. We'll take a look at that engine bay, then the top, and wrap this video up. Alright, here's the engine bay. Again, 400 V8 underneath there, power steering. As you can see, nice and tidy. Little chrome dress up on that air cleaner cover. Hood liner. Alright, there's your engine bay. I'm going to pause it a second. Let's go ahead and put the top up and we'll check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go with the top up. Nice fit above the windshield. Like I said earlier, newer top obviously, free of rips, tears, holes, really anywhere. Black vinyl. Nice clear rear window. Of course, since it's newer, it's what you'd expect. Around here to the passenger side, again, free of rips, tears or holes. Nice fitting up above the windshield. So everything's good on the top. There you go. Nice looking convertible. 1964 Pontiac LeMans and Kona blue. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.